I don't know about it. I have not heard about it. Whatever is there, my party high command leaders will come. I am also speaking to all of them, and there is nothing in that. There is nothing to blow up on that. CM ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಳ್ತದಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ತಾವೇ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.